So, hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Code for Hub. And guys, in today's video, we are going to see the installation of Anaconda and Jupyter Notebook on your system, on your laptop, on your computer. So we are going to see like how you can download and install Anaconda Navigator on your system, and you can launch your Jupyter Notebook. So for that, let's get start without any delay. And guys, before starting the videos, if you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe it and please like and share my videos. So, okay guys, let's get start. So first, what I will do, I'm on my Google page. In the search box, I will just type download Anaconda. So when you will type download Anaconda, this page you will get this page, and you can click any of this link. So I'm gonna click on this third link, and it is loading. So just wait. So from here, when you will click on the link, then you will get this Anaconda homepage, and from here, from product this product section, click on individual edition. Yeah, because we want to download the open source distribution, so we will use individual distribution. And from here you will see a download button here, so click on this download. So guys, I have already downloaded it, so I will not click on it. So for if you have to download, then please click on this download button and your Anaconda Navigator will get downloaded. So I will go to my file section where I have downloaded this Anaconda, and I will start the procedure of installing this Anaconda and this Jupyter Notebook. So let me go to this file. So here I have downloaded my Anaconda. You can see that this is my Anaconda, and I am going to install it. So let me install. I will double click on it. So it's taking time, so you have to wait for a little. And again guys, this Anaconda download, when you are going to install this, so it will get going to take some time to install this Anaconda on your system. So you have to be patient. So here you have to just press next button, agree, recommended, just me, next. And this is the path of your Anaconda Navigator, the path where your Anaconda Navigator is going to be download. Press next. So here, add Anaconda part to my environment variable. You don't need to click on this. Just click on the second one. Okay? Just click on the second one, and because we will add our path later after the completion of the installation, because sometimes this may get some kind of error, so that's why we don't select this. Select the second one and click on install. Now this installation procedure is going to take some time, so you have to wait. So, okay guys, here Anaconda has been downloaded. So, what I will do, I will just press this next button. So, after the completion of the download, press on this next button, and again press on next, and then finish. Just unclick this because it's just saying that after finishing, just launch this Anaconda individual edition and the tutorial. So that's I'm not gonna do. So I'm just going to finish. Click on this finish button. So now you have just done this installation. Forget it. This is some office kind of work is going on. So what I will do, I will go to my this Windows button, and from here you can see this. So here's my control panel. I will open my control panel, and inside this control panel, I will go inside the system. I will go inside this system. Wait, it's still opening. It's still loading. So inside this control panel, what I will do, I will just go inside the system and security. So here's my system and security. I will go inside this, and again inside this, go to this system. Inside the system and security, then again go to inside the system, and then again go to this advanced system setting. Open this advanced system setting. You will see here the environment variables. So just click on this environment variable. and here inside the system variable path, you will just click on this path and create edit. And now what you have to do, just click on new because we are creating a new path. So I will click on new. And now what I will do, I will open my Anaconda prompt and I will just type here where Python. So when you type where Python, you will get the path of your Anaconda, where it have installed. So you just need to copy this path and come here inside the environmental variable, new, and paste the path of your Anaconda here. And now click on OK, click on OK, click on OK, and then here also click on OK. Okay. Now the path of your variable has been assigned. The installation of your Anaconda Jupyter notebook has been completed. Now I'm going to open this Jupyter notebook. So from here I will open my Jupyter notebook. So it will take some time to open this. Once the Jupyter notebook will open, you will kind of see the environment of your Jupyter notebook. So there I'm going to show you how you can use that Jupyter notebook. So first, let it open. It will take some time in my case because my system is kind of slow. So if you have very good system with good configuration, then it is going to take less time to open in a second or minutes. So it will take a kind of time for me. Okay, so just wait. The Jupyter notebook. This is the layout of my Jupyter notebook. It has been opened. So uh, now what you have to do, you will see here a new button. So click on this new button and you will find this Python 3. Just click on this Python 3 and your Python shell environment has been opened, and there you can run your Python code, write your Python code, run your Python code, whatever you want to do, you can do that from here. So it is opening my Python command, Python notebook, Jupyter notebook. So this is how your Jupyter notebook will look like. So if you want to run any kind of program, so what you will do, let me just print hello world. For running, press the shift plus enter to run this program. And now you can see that the program has been run and you can see the output as hello world. So this is how you can use your Jupyter notebook. So here's the file command. Here you can create a new notebook and edit the file. Here you can, from this, using this cut option, you can cut the shell of this button, and when you will click on this untitled, you will able to give the your name, like whatever name you want to give to this notebook, you can give it from here and click on the name. So, okay guys, this was all about today's video. Here we saw like how we can install a Jupyter Notebook, Anaconda Navigator part, and we also ran a simple Hello World program to check how this Jupyter Notebook works. So this was all about today's video, guys. I will see you in the next video. And before leaving this video, guys, please do subscribe my channel and please share and like my video. Till then, I will see you in the next video.